Welcome to Laurelton on Marbury Road in Anderton. This immaculate property has been extended and you've got to see the garden behind. Follow me inside. The property has an original parquet floor through the hallway, and my favourite room is this spacious lounge with log burner. Extended, it's now a fantastic size, gets the sun all afternoon, and check out how close we are to Marbury Park. Been recently modernised with a contemporary suite, and the view from the rear on the first floor is beautiful.